Hello and welcome to my headband wig class. In this video I'll be showing you the materials needed to make your own headband wig like the one we have on camera. The first material we need is your head block and the wig stand, but it's not compulsory, so you don't need to have that. But if you do, all fine and good, it makes the job really easy. If you don't have a head block, you will need a mannequin head, and this is the other mannequin head that I would have used. And if you are buying for the first time for headband wig, I would prefer you buy the one that is soft, that T-pins can go into. So these are T-pins. We use these to hold down the cap and the weave while sewing. So this is how it looks like. I'm trying to get you to see it really well. These are T-pins. So it's necessary for you to buy mannequins that are soft, that T-pins can go in for this particular wig class, the headband wig class. I'm really trying so hard for you guys to see it. I guess you know it already. Next, I'm using this cap. This is a dome cap, and I advise you to get it. This is how it looks like when it's worn on the head block or mannequin. Okay. Last, we'll be using our thread and needle also. And then we'll be using this stretchy black material. In Nigeria it's called hijab material. It's stretchy. You can see that it's really stretchy. That is what we use for the headband. So if you go to the market, you can just ask them for a stretchy material and you find this one. This is the one we use. And then we need combs too, and scissors and the regular stuff we use. And then I'm using this. This is what will lock the headband at the back. I really don't know what this is called, but when I went to the local shop, they said plaster, and I was really laughing. But I guess you should ask them for this plaster, if that's what they call it, so you can find it easily, because I couldn't find it for a while. I went to a tailoring shop to get this, so you can take a picture of this and go to a big tailoring shop and they'll find this for you. Okay, so then we need some wig combs. This is very necessary to hold the wig cap in place. So I have this, and we use about 3 to 4 for a particular headband. So these are the materials you need, so you can get them ready and then we'll get started. Don't forget you need your weaves too, any kind of weaves you have. So get them and then we'll get started. Thank you.